Saludos, amigos. Cash, our president and CEO of Cash International Luxury Real Estate. Guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. So, I've got a really, really cool video that I want to share with you. It just came across my desk right now, and I was blown away. But actually, you know what? To be honest, I wasn't truly blown away because I have been saying this for years and years now. And guess what, guys? All of that is coming to fruition, and you're going to be blown away. I'm going to share a news story right now. I'm going to share a news story with you guys that I want you to watch and I want you to pay attention to, because this is what I've been talking about. Emerging middle class, GDP growth, a stable country, okay? Stably political, no bipartisan playing, no politicians bashing each other. An economy that is on the rise, a country that is strategically positioned between Europe and Asia and North America. A country that is beautiful, and a country that is now on the verge of absolutely exploding into first world status, guys. And you're going to see that here in the story. Look what's happening in the world. Look what Trump's tariffs are going to be doing for the Dominican Republic. This is a change. This is a complete game changer. Watch this news article, this news story here, and guys, you are going to be blown away. But there is no better time, and I mean that, no better time than now to be investing here in the Dominican Republic. Guys, we said this many years ago, and guess what? As I said, it's coming true. All right, guys, have a listen, pay attention, take some notes, and don't forget to reach out to Cash International Luxury Real Estate. Guys, we've been calling whatever we have been calling, whatever I've been saying is going to happen, has been happening thus far. Call me lucky, call me what you want, but guys, it is happening, and it's all happening right here today on your clock. All right, guys, have a listen, have a look. Let's do it.
There very soon. You have Hanes, Eaton, you have Timberland, Cardinal Health, World Emblem, the largest maker of patches for clothing, is opening their new facility next year, breaking ground this year. And really, this is an island that is known for its beaches and tourism, but it has a huge manufacturing sector. In 2024 alone, the foreign investment into the country grew by 7.1%. 41% of all foreign investment in Central America was in the Dominican Republic, and 20% of that investment was in the manufacturing sector, just behind tourism. Now, why are companies moving there? Well, there's something called free zones. Essentially, these are kind of tax havens. There's tons of tax exemptions, mainly on income tax, local taxes, export taxes. That can save companies millions of dollars. Also, proximity to the U.S. It takes just a few days to get products on these cargo vessels to the United States. Instead of from Asia, it's weeks. And wages, according to one company, wages are about 30% lower than what it would cost even in Mexico to manufacture goods. But what are some of the hurdles? Well, it's a small island. There's not a ton of space to do this manufacturing. And when you have a smaller island, you have fewer people to do the job, and they have to train all of these individuals to be skilled technicians. And also, people just don't know about it. One of the companies I spoke to, World Emblem, who is opening their manufacturing site next year, I said, how'd you hear about the Dominican Republic? He said, ChatGPT. So it wasn't even on his radar. He just asked ChatGPT, and it came up with the Dominican Republic as a great place to move his manufacturing. He's moving his manufacturing from China and from Mexico, about 30 to 35% of it, and he's investing millions of dollars in the country. So clearly, ChatGPT had a little tip for him that ended up working out quite well.
Exactly. Who said AI is going to ruin it all for us? It's going to make him millions.
It is.
Thanks so much. Great reporting.
Thank you.
All right, guys, I'm sure you were just as surprised as I was on that one. That was mind-blowing, wasn't it? That was just something. I saw that news article and that news story, and as surprised as I was about what I was hearing, I also was not surprised because I knew it was coming. Why do you think I am here? Why do you think my family's here? Why do you think so many of my clients are here? Why do you think so many North Americans are calling the Dominican Republic their first option as far as their investment strategies are going? But even more so, they're even moving here. And guys, this is going to explode. Now is a great time for you to dial into my videos, okay? Pay attention to what I'm talking about, and look at the Dominican Republic as your future investment opportunity, your place that you can say you love where you live. Because guess what, guys? There's going to be a lot of people saying they love where they work in coming years. I wouldn't even say coming years. I'm going to say now. All right, guys. Remember, make us your first phone call. My name is Cash, President and CEO of Cash International Luxury Real Estate, coming to you from the Dominican Republic. And so happy about today's news. So happy about the direction of the way things are going. And I guarantee, guys, you would be as well if you decided to call this place home. All right, guys. Take care. Hope you're doing well. Love where you live. And talk to you soon.